I want to make it easier to add new members to your WhatsApp group. I'm going to show you how to generate a QR code to your WhatsApp group. Watch until the end for a bonus tip, so let's get started. So first, open WhatsApp on your device and afterwards select the desired group. Find and open the group you want to create a QR code for, and afterwards go to the name of the group and click on it. And when this section is open, scroll all the way down and tap on the invite via group link and click on the QR code just right there. And you can share the QR code just from here by clicking on this icon and selecting the way how you want to share it. So as you can see, you can share the QR code with the help of the following messengers, and you also can take the screenshot of the QR code so you can share the picture right away. And if this video was helpful for you, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. It really motivates me to make more helpful content. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next video. Bye.